How to create an Elevanlabs account. Want AI voices that sound real? Let's make your Elevanlabs account in just a few steps. A spoiler alert, there is no app, so we will use the browser. First, open your browser on your phone or computer. Go to elevanlabs.io. See that sign up in the top right? Click it. You can sign up with Google, Apple, or email and password. Choose whatever suits you the best. And boom, you are in. You will see a dashboard where you can use text to speech, clone voices, try on AI audio tools, and even more. There is no mobile app for Elevanlabs 8. Only works from a browser, so whether you are on a phone or PC, stick to the Chrome or Safari. And just like that, you got your Elevanlabs account ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.